Flexible reporting is vital to measuring and improving drill and blast processes. The BlastLogic OData Service allows users to build custom reports, benchmark across multiple mines, and interface data from BlastLogic to third-party clients. Feed BlastLogic data directly into programs such as Microsoft Excel. Adapt existing templates or create new ones that are auto-populated with BlastLogic data, saving hours of transforming and formatting data for weekly and monthly blast reports. Set up benchmark reporting across multiple sites by using BlastLogic data in clients like Microsoft Power BI. Charts update to coincide with changes made in BlastLogic. Design improvement can be targeted with confidence and measured against downstream processes. Interface data from BlastLogic to any OData version 4 compatible reporting application. Build web browser hosted visualizations, ideal for keeping head office in the loop about the performance of multiple sites. Populate data warehouses thanks to integration with any system capable of consuming JSON data, such as Microsoft SQL Server integration services. The OData service delivers a flexible way to access and distribute BlastLogic data, facilitating better reporting, communication, and decision making.